Ridiculous vulnerability, hard-coded password in Confluence Questions. There has been a lot of news about Confluence vulnerabilities this week. Atlassian has released 3 of them, CVE-2022-26136 and CVE-2022-26137. Multiple Servlet Filter vulnerabilities, Authentication bypass, cross-site scripting, cross-origin resource sharing bypass. Many Atlassian products are vulnerable. Not only Confluence and JIRA, but also Bitbucket, for example. Everything is clear here. Such installations need to be patched. And ideally, it is time to stop using Atlassian products if you live and work in certain locations because this vendor is unstable. CVE-2022-26138 hard-coded passwords in Confluence Questions. This vulnerability is now the most hype and ridiculous. If you install the optional Confluence Questions app, this will create a disabled system user with a hard-coded password. And this user is not disabled. The password is already publicly available. If you are logged in as this user, you can read the pages accessible by the Confluence users group. Well, isn't it funny? This can be fixed by patching or blocking or deleting the user. So what can be said here? Plugins and extensions are evil and usually the most vulnerable. Try to avoid them. This is how backdoors in software may look like. The exploitation is very simple, and the vendor can always say that, oh sorry, that was a bug. Those who make Confluence and similar services available on the network perimeter are their own enemies.